A good quality tonneau cover will enclose your truck's bed, making it weather-tight, or at the very least more weather-tight than without one. Tonneau covers also serve a purpose in helping prevent theft by not leaving your truck's bed completely exposed to potential thieves. Even a soft cover that is easily removable can make a difference when it comes to deterring potential theft. Hi guys. Welcome to Best Gadgets. We've got the top 5 best truck tonneau covers for you today. You can buy it at the links in the description below the video. Number 5. BAK Revolver X4S. The best hard-rolling truck bed tonneau cover. You can buy it for about $1,100. The BAK Revolver X4S hard-rolling truck bed cover keeps your gear safe, dry, and protected every time you lock your tailgate. Its tough aluminum slats, coupled with industrial-grade vinyl, offer complete protection when the cover is closed, and total bed access when it's open. The BAK Revolver X4S features top-to-bottom matte black finishes, including on the underside, seals, and caps, so your truck looks great with the cover in any position. Matte finished rail and bulkhead seals ensure the cover lays flush with your truck bed and stays watertight all around the perimeter. This cover keeps a low profile silhouette, so streamlined and integrated you'd swear your truck came straight from the factory that way. The cover is designed with patented rotational locking rails that engage 3/4 of an inch into robust locking blocks that secure the cover in place along the entire length of your truck bed. Once you lock your tailgate, this cover isn't going anywhere. To open the cover, unlock and open your tailgate. Pull either of the cable releases located on both sides of the truck bed to release the automatic latching assembly to unlock it. Roll the cover toward the front and secure using the safety strap. In this position, the cover gives you full bed access while retaining rear visibility out the back window. The sleek design also allows you full access to stake pocket holes for when you want to use additional accessories. To close the cover, release the safety strap and roll the cover toward the tailgate. The integrated slat caps add extra protection when rolling the cover open or closed. And the rear corner caps give a polished look to the cover. Close the compression seal, and finally close your tailgate. For added functionality, you can close the cover with your tailgate either open or closed. This is engineered without the need for another external lock or keys. To secure the cover, simply lock your tailgate, and your gear is protected from rain, snow, wind, sun, and theft. It's made in the USA, with global materials, and it's backed with a 5-year warranty. Number 4. TruXedo Pro X15. The best soft roll-up truck bed tonneau cover. It's priced at around $550. It is created to have an extra low-profile design, for a sleek integrated appearance. The cover features an amazing-looking matte black woven fabric that complements the look of your truck. You can install the Pro X15 in 20 minutes, without drilling or special tools. First, mount the rails to the bed using the bolt-on clamp, then simply snap the cover assembly into place, roll the cover all the way back to the tailgate, and slam it shut to latch it. An industrial-grade hook and loop system will seal the cover to the rails. It's that easy. The patented automatic tension control ensures the cover stays tight and smooth, so it looks good in all temperatures and weather conditions. To drive with the cover fully open, just pull the anodized single trigger latch to release the cover, then simply roll the cover to the front of the truck bed, and secure with the safety straps. This allows you unrestricted access to your truck bed. And when you need every inch of your truck bed, Pro X15 is equipped with a quick release system, allowing you to remove the cover in seconds without the need of any tools. Every time when you close your truck bed, you can rest in the fact that TruXedo put all of their covers to the test, making sure they're tough enough to fit your lifestyle. They also custom tailor each Pro X15 to your truck's specific year, make, and model, for a guarantee fit. When used with the locking tailgate, Pro X15 will keep your belongings secure all year round. Its automotive-grade front and tailgate seals that keep the elements and weather out, everything from dust and dirt to rain and snow. They manufacture Pro X15 in the USA and back it with a lifetime warranty. Whether it's for work or adventure, Pro X15 have you covered every step of the way. Number 3. Tonno Pro Tonno Fold. The best soft folding truck bed tonneau cover. It's available at around $280. Tonno Pro is the maker of the highest quality truck bed covers at the most affordable prices. Its trifold design allows for quick and easy access, and allows you to travel with the cover in either the open or closed position, depending on the size of your cargo. What else makes this truck bed cover stand out from all the others? Here are the facts. The first and most important thing you will notice is the front seal and flap. Tonno Pro uses a proprietary 2 rubber design for outdoor use, able to withstand extreme heat, cold, salt, and UV exposure. All while keeping your truck bed dry and clean. The rubber gasket is soft and flexible, allowing for the ultimate seal. Other tonneau covers use a simple foam tape that can dry out and crack, leaving your valuable cargo exposed to the elements. The Tonno Pro flap is sewn in for added security, unlike others which are only glued in. The next thing to note is the vinyl. Using double-sided marine-grade vinyl that resists mildew and chemicals, Tonno Pro vinyl is the highest standard in the industry. Next you'll notice the stitching. It uses 4 stitches per inch, compared to the industry standard of 3, significantly strengthening the seams. This also uses a new state-of-the-art thread with special coating. The coating swells to fill the hole created by the needle during stitching, preventing even the smallest drop of moisture from getting through. Supporting the vinyl is a special blend 6063 aluminum alloy frame with a black epoxy powder coat. Originally designed for use in architecture, it has a high tensile rating, meaning it can bend and stretch without breaking. When it comes to installation, Tonno Pro has the competition beat. The Tonneau fold cover is lightweight yet durable, and can be installed by one person without tools in 15 minutes or less thanks to the Tonno Pro Easy Clamps. Made from impact-resistant nylon and featuring a patent slide design, your Tonneau fold is guaranteed to have a perfect fit, and maintain strength even under the most brutal conditions. Best of all, no drilling is required, helping to maintain the value of your truck. Tonno Pro helps you save money too. With the aerodynamics of the Tonneau fold cover, you will enjoy up to 10 to 13% savings on gas. Number 2. LEER Trilogy. The best hard folding tonneau cover. It's priced at around $550. The Trilogy folding hard tonneau cover by LEER provides more secure cargo space, and gives you the freedom to do more with your truck. Installing it takes only about 6 minutes, with no tools, and no assembly. You can drive with it in the folded open position, or fully closed as a secure bed cover. The dent-resistant aluminum exterior is treated with a special UV-resistant fluorocarbon to resist fading. And the surface is textured and treated with an alloy partner. The interior is filled with a dense XPS solid core. The beveled aluminum outside edges have nearly 3 times the strength of similar models. And a durable powder coating protects the surface to keep it looking new. To fold it back, just release 2 latches. When the cover is folded back, the latches fit into a recessed pocket, making the process quick and easy. LED lights inside help you see the latches and cargo when the cover is in place. At the folding joints, the hinges are double sealed to channel water to the outside edges and keep your truck bed dry. When the covers are pulled it back, use the tie-down straps to secure it. Snap in the clips and give the pull to secure the straps. For more security, the Trilogy also comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Once your Trilogy is on board, you have a truck with more secure cargo space, and the potential to do more you want to do. The possibilities are endless. Number 1. RetraxOne. This is the best retractable truck bed tonneau cover. You can purchase it for around $1,500. Retrax premium truck bed covers are the very best you can buy. Riding on sealed ball bearings, the cover opens and closes with ease. The RetraxOne can be latched or key locked into any position, providing unrivaled flexibility and security. When closed, it turns your truck bed into a vault, helping to keep your valuable possessions secure, and prying eyes out. It also allows you to secure cargo of any size. Retrax truck bed covers are an extension of your truck. RetraxOne's exclusive low-profile design doesn't alter your truck's clean lines. Available in both matte and glossy black finishes, Retrax covers complement the unique look of your truck. The RetraxOne is the high-gloss finish cover, and the RetraxOne MX is the textured matte finish cover. Made from aluminum-reinforced polycarbonate, the RetraxOne supports distributed loads of more than 200 pounds. It's tough and maintenance-free. The sealed ball bearings provide smooth operation, and prevent the cover from binding. The one-piece design means the cover is always sealed tight, yet is easy to operate even after years of use and exposure to the elements. If water does enter the canister, drain tubes route water out of the bed, keeping your cargo dry. The unique spiral track system within the canister keeps the cover from coming in contact with itself as it closes, minimizing wear and tear. The patented canister design allows it to sit flush with the cover. This Retrax cover never blocks your rear view visibility, and its compact design allows full use of your truck bed floor. It works great with fifth wheels, and many rack systems. It can be custom made to work with your toolbox on utility bed, or custom truck. Retrax covers are easy to install with just a few clamps. Made in the USA, and all Retrax covers include a limited lifetime warranty.